Hello everyone, this question is 3 times 27 power x equal to 9 power x plus 4. I find out what is the value of x. So first of all I can say here is 3 times, we know that 3 times 3 times 3 equal to 27. So I can say here is 3 power 3 bracket power is x equal to, here is 9, we know that 3 square equal to 9 bracket power is x plus 4. Now I can say here is 3 and 3 times x equal to 3x, and here is 3 power 2 times x equal to 2x plus 4 times 2 equal to 8. Now this exponent is 1. We know that a to the power m times a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. I follow these rules in this line. This time I can say here is 3 power 1 plus 3x equal to 3 power twice x plus 8. Now again we know that a to the power v equal to a to the power c, here is b equal to c. This time I can say here is base is same, so these exponents are equal. So 1 plus 3x equal to twice x plus 8. Now here is 3x minus 2x equal to 8 minus 1. Now I can say 3x minus 2x equal to x and 8 minus 1 equal to 7. This is my answer. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.